Hello from South Beach in Miami, Florida, United States. It is 9:10 a.m. in the morning and I am already on my third swim for today. It was a beautiful sunrise to watch that started 2 hours ago exactly, and now the sun slowly but steadily going up, and I have been chilling on the beach now for 2 hours and have been doing some dances and two swims actually already, but now I'm going for one more now that the sun is up, as I really need to get breakfast after this filming. Yes, it is 1st of January 2025, the first day of the year, and I'm feeling so blessed to be able to travel to Miami, United States, for beach adventures. But only in Miami for 2 nights, as I will be going on a Caribbean cruise for 10 days tomorrow already. So it's gonna be nice to explore the beautiful beaches in the Caribbean. The beach looks so stunning and amazing with the white sand, as you can see, and very few people this early in the morning. But it is not the season actually yet. Currently 22 degrees Celsius in the air and around 24 in the sea. Caribbean Sea, that is, and this is east coast of America, that it's out on the Atlantic Ocean essentially. This is quite a huge beach indeed, and we can see also here the planes that are arriving at the Miami International Airport, where I have arrived yesterday. It's very easy to get from the airport to Miami Beach. There is a bus that runs every half an hour that costs $2.25, and you can pay with your card directly. And to get to the bus station, you can take the Mia Mover, which is free, which is like a cable car or like a tram, but it looks like a cable car because it's above the ground. And that journey takes like 3 minutes, and that's free. It's how you get to the departures hall to get to fly. Yeah, let's then get going and enjoy yet another nice swim at South Beach, Miami, Florida, as you can see. Beautiful morning and beautiful way to start the year 2025, that is. Yes, so yesterday I have celebrated here on the beach. There was quite amazing fireworks and lots of people that are celebrating the new year, and let the new year be the happiest ever. And I'm not really sure when are you going to see this video, as I'm a bit lagging behind already, as I have lots of episodes from Thailand, but you will eventually see this sometime in January, hopefully. So let's then get going. Amazing. So beautiful. Amazing. I now realize that I need to have a sunscreen on because I had a bit of a hard time in Thailand with the top of my head, that looks not so good. Even though I have been applying tons of sunscreen, it looks like the closer you are to the equator, the more dangerous the sun is. And Thailand is right above the equator, slightly above. Miami is also closer to the equator compared to Sweden, but it is currently actually winter here, as it can get up to 40 degrees in summer here. Indeed, but look at how spectacular the view is here at South Beach in Miami. Um, and it's quite a huge beach indeed, and I will be walking later along the beach all the way down to South Point. And there is even a nudist beach at Hale Over, but I will need to take a bus to get there, as it is basically not possible as it's connected to the bridge, and it's quite a long bus ride also as well. So let's dive in once again. Amazing, so beautiful and nice. What a way to start the year in Miami Beach. Indeed, spectacular, spectacular. All right, cool. I really need to get some breakfast now, actually, and then continue my beach adventures after that. Looks like it's going to be a great sunny day here in Miami Beach. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Miami Beach, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.